Hi, everybody. My name is Ian Vargo, and welcome to another episode of The Sounds of Springfield. In this episode, rather than providing an in-depth analysis into specific scenes from the show, I've created a compilation of what I believe are the funniest sounds from The Simpsons. They're in no particular order, except I saved what I feel is the funniest sound for last, so be sure to stick around until the end. So, without further ado, I present to you the funniest sounds of Springfield.
Fiddle-dee-dee! Stop! Hey, you goats, get out of here!
I love you. I love you.
No! Woohoo!
A broken leg.
Is that the best you can do? Ah! Ow! Ugh, I'm bad at this. It's a sign!
Yeah! I meant our wedding rings!
Arrgh, my groin!
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to click subscribe. And if you have ideas for future episodes of The Sounds of Springfield, get in touch or leave them in the comments beneath.